or pork. Doesn't know how to use the chopsticks. So, namin karon sa Central World, Thailand. So, we are having our lunch here at Ramen Kudu. Ramen Kudu restaurant. Basta nasa Central World sa pinakataas. So, I'm having this ramen and we have this takoyaki with green tea. I know. Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Icon Sham. Icon Sham? Oh, wow. Look at the, may pa-fountain. Yeah, nice. So, ayan yung mall. Nice. So, we're gonna go inside. Okay. So, we're gonna, wait lang. Day 3 here in Bangkok, and now we are going to the palace, Royal Palace here in Bangkok. So we just walked from our hotel because in the Google it's showing that 30 minutes walk only, so better to walk than pay taxi or chok-chok. The chok-chok is expensive than taxi here. I don't know why.
Travel tourist.
Yeah, scam. Regarding the dress code, so you should wear the jeans or cover your shoulder and your knee, ankle, something like that. Otherwise, if you wear shorts, you have to buy the, you know, the Bangkok, the dress. I don't know how does it called, like pajama, something. Na parang pantulog or pambahay na color black or black and white.
That's for all those people.
We booked slot like 11:30. What time? 11:30, right? 11:30, and now time is 11:11. So we still have few minutes. So ito na yung balance. See that place. Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa loob. And sobrang init talaga. Yan, nakaharap ako sa electric fan. Dito ako, sobrang init. Ayan, ayan yung harap ng palace. So pag hindi ka pag naka-shorts ka, ganyan yung isusuot mo, ganyan no? Ayan. Yung suot niya na ano, parang pajama. So bawal lang shorts dito, tsaka sleeveless. So ayun yung pila dun sa may ano, may mga nyata. Yan yung pila, palag papunta sa loob. Ayan. palace, pero dito kami dinarapit. Paano kami magpo-cross nang pa namin bumaba? Sabi ng babae, baba na daw, baba.
Can you come to me?
So guys, guys, nandito na kami sa Wat Aron. So, bumili lang si Lucas ng ticket. Nandun. Tapos dito, hindi pwede yung naka-short ka tsaka sleeveless. Dapat mahaba yung damit mo. So, pag mahaba yung damit mo, mayroon silang pinoprovide na ganyan. Yan, magtatakip ganyan. Yan, yung pula. Meron ding mga ano, nagpaparent nung yung mga ganun. Mga Thailand dress nila. 200 baht yata yun. Kung magre-rent kayo ng ano, yung mga Thai nila, Thai dress. Ayan, tulad niyan. Meron dito. 200 yata yung rent. Pasok na tayo. So, ito yung entrance. Ice cream. Oh, ito. Cheese nut? Cheese nut, no? So good, so good. Rambutan, no? Pamangustin. Durian. Okay, this is your TikTok.
Crunchy.
Yeah, crunchy. Ah, the scorpion. You want to try? No. Scorpion. No, I don't want. Ang bango. Ito parang masarap po. Tinis mo. Pritong tilapia.
Bằng phiếu được.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Golden Mount. Ito. The Golden Mount. Akyat kami dun sa taas. So, ito yung entrance. Nagsakay lang kami ng tuk-tuk. Chok-chok. We were going, we will climb going up. Kaya no, 60 meter that way. So let's go. 100 baht ticket. Foreigner tours. Ayan yung ticket.
มีคำเมื่อจะด้านก็มีคำหลังมีคำหวานคือพิดาด้านมีข้อหนึ่งพระพุทธเจ้าตรัสว่าเป็นอาการคืออาการนี้ของคุณพ่อ
Malapit na kami. Malapit na sa tuktok. Grabe yung pawis ko, tagaktak. Sobrang init.
คุณพ่อและทุกถึงคุณแม่แล้วก็ปรากฏว่าได้
Pero ang ganda ng view. Ano yung view sa labas? Ang ganda ng view.
ได้นี่หมายถึงว่าความดีที่เกิดจากการที่ในอาการรักของสมัยนาฬิกา
Pupunta kami ng Pari World.
Here with orangutan.
Yung beer, you want to beer with the orangutan, this one. But I think there is additional payment for this. Maybe 200. 45 minutes lang pala. 45 minutes lang pala. So, malapit lang. Wala namin to sa mismong website ng Pari World. Binayaran namin is 1,500 per pa. Tama na yun yung entrance sa transportation, pick up and drop.
Come.
Cute nila. Pwedeng sakyan. Here, look eh. Daghan kayo mga ano, classmate ni Lucas. Lucas, your classmate. Mga student dito. Naki-field trip. Yan o. Ang dami. Oh, what is this? Basta parang ano. Daming mga estudyante oh. May field trip sila. Ito pala yung pangalan ng ano. Great White Pelican.
วันนั้นหมดไม่งั้นมันโยนไม่ได้ไง มันจะเป็นแบบว่าดี
Sabi ng unahan mo sa loob. One. Wow.
Go on with the boxing. We have to do the opening ceremony, and right now, please welcome the VIP and his bodyguard. Welcome to Ulangan Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Namsing the Kingdom, Kim! I'll give you 5 ก่อนได้So sweet โชว์
Wow. Galing.
มาหน่อยเปิดโอเคโชว์โอ้โหมาเป็นคำเลยพี่เล่นมาหน้าเราขึ้นไป
So, tapos na yung orangutan show. Grabe yung training nila dun. Para ng mga tao. Sobrang saya. Tapos mamaya, mayroon pang ano. Ay, pupunta naman kami sa elephant show. Grabe lang yung sobrang init dito. So, hanggang 3:30 PM lang kami dito. Madaming ano dito. Sobrang laki nitong park. Saka ang daming mga show. Meron pa ngayong dolphin show. So, may elephant show. Tapos marami pong pupuntahan. What time is the elephant show? Is there yung mga bata na nag-field trip. Ang field trip.
They cannot get the salt. That's why they have to make it very smooth. After that, so add the perfume, and we bring that to put in the restroom or the living room. It is okay. And this is for the example. Oh, this is the last layer. It's mixed with the mud. We use this in the factory to make the food pattern. It is okay.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa ng asin. So, dito sila gumagawa ng asin. Ito dito.